So let us see why the machine utilization factor ratio should be more than 2. So in this example, if you see, the numerator is nothing but what is the output that I'm getting, the value that I'm getting from the machine. So processing cost per part customer is paying us, and quantity per hour is the output that I'm getting from the machine. So that I'm dividing with the machine hour rate plus man hour rate. Why I'm dividing, why I'm using machine hour rate plus man hour rate? This is my investment. Machine is my investment, therefore I'm giving machine hour rate, and for per man hour I am paying. So therefore I am adding the man hour rate. So in this case, if you see, the numerator is nothing but the value that I am generating from the machine, right? So the denominator is nothing but the value that I am giving in order to get the required value. So in this case, if you see, the numerator is the numerator is 20 into 20, that is 400 rupees. So I am producing a throughput of 400 rupees in the numerator, and my investment is 550 rupees, therefore it's a loss. So that is nothing but that is the machine utilization factor. So per hour I am spending 550 rupees, and in the machine I am getting only 400 rupees. So it's a loss. So they say the machine utilization factor should be more than 2. It means if my investment is 550 for the machine, so 550 into 2, the numerator, the output that I am getting should be 1100. So then what happens? When you divide it, when your investment and what you're getting is twice, when you divide it, the ratio will be 2. So that's why they say the machine utilization factor should be more than 2. That means whatever the investment that you're giving, you should get double of that. That is the concept. Okay. So more than 2 indicates the throughput that we are producing is 2 times more than the given machine hour rate and man hour rate. So this is a calculation in order to find out whether the machine is producing right value or not. So this is an example calculation for you. This is an example calculation for you. So hope at the initial class we told you should have a notebook with you. So take the notebook, calculate the machine utilization factor for a milling machine producing 500 parts per hour, and the processing cost per part is 6 rupees, and man hour rate is rupees 100, and machine hour rate is rupees. So you can take rupees 500. So I'm missing here. You can take machine as a machine hour, it is 500. Use the following formula for calculation. So just you can do it and see what is the visualization factor, whether it is loss or profit. So the next chapter that we are going is 8 waste in the shop floor.